Whenever you visit a hotel, you will probably see two things beside each other: the toilets and this strange looking bowl. Do you know what this is? This bowl is considered by many people as one of the most essential tool in a toilet. If you don't know this, stay tuned and we will talk all about it. This bowl is placed below a sink by has a faucet that is called water jets. Well, this bowl is called a bidet. Many countries are especially known for having bidets: South Korea, Japan, Egypt, Greece, Italy, Spain, and UAE to name a few. A bidet looks like a toilet but has warm water jets for personal hygiene after you use the toilet. Usually, you use it to clean your bum instead of wiping, or in addition to wiping depending on your preference. Usually, a bidet has both hot and cold water controls. Be very careful when turning on the water, as many bidets can produce a very high jet of water with only a slight turn of the control. After opening the water jets, you may use it by sitting either facing it or away from it. Then after using it, you dry yourself off. Some bidets have a built-in air dryer for you to use. If the one you are facing does not, use toilet paper or other paper towels to dry yourself off. Bidets are very helpful especially for 1. People with disabilities either physically or mentally, or people with medical conditions that makes it hard to wash their bums. 2. Washing your genitals. This is especially helpful after intercourse. It is also helpful for women during their menstrual period. 3. People who wants to effectively clean their bum. Many consider using bidet over tissue after pooping. Although tissues are used to wipe the bum dry, you may also combine the use of bidet and tissue for cleaning, depends on your preference. 4. For cleaning the feet. In public restrooms, don't be surprised if some use it to clean their feet. Many considered bidets to be essential because it promotes better personal hygiene and cleaning. Wiping with toilet paper is not very hygienic, as you are simply wiping germs around. When you use a bidet, you are able to get much cleaner and have less germs. What you must not do with bidets. 1. Do not drink from it. It is not made for drinking and water can bounce off of unsanitary areas. 2. Do not dispose tissue as it may clog. 3. Do not use it as a toilet. Remember, always clean your bidet bowls to prevent spread of germs. That's all, folks. We hope you learned something from our video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment your thoughts on the comments section below. Subscribe for more videos. See you on our next video.